Hi everyone, my name is Akshaya Kavre. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals and other species and have two-way conversations with them. Our animals are extremely sentient and capable of sharing a lot of information with us which we may not otherwise be able to understand. In one such communication I recently had with a dog, the human complained of the dog having sudden changes in behavior which they were not able to figure out. Now, in such cases, my first advice to the human is to bring the animal to your doctor so that we understand if the animal is feeling fine at a physical level. Communication can definitely help us in understanding if the animal is having certain points of discomfort or pain or what their insights about the situation are, but we cannot definitely do what the doctors or the behaviorists do. So we will not trespass into their territory of work. The human said that yes, they had taken the dog to the doctor, and while everything seemed fine at the physical level, they have also done a few tests and they are waiting on it. When I spoke to the animal specifically mentioned a lot of discomfort in the abdomen region, and the feeling that I received was almost as if there was some kind of bloating, very tightness around the abdomen. So while I would avoid the use bloating, or if I do, then I'll tell the human to ensure that they cross check with the vet, but that was the feeling that I received. And the animal also confirmed that they don't think it is something very serious. However, they were willing to cooperate to go to the vet again and to ensure that they are getting the treatment they received at a physical level. So that way the animal was willing to cooperate. And I asked the animal if this is something that they have recently picked up from somewhere, or if it is something that they know where it has come from. And the animal mentioned that they had eaten something recently which was different, they really enjoyed it, and that is what had led to this according to them. So when I discussed all of this with the human mentioned that recently they had given them a small piece of sweet of dessert which was made from milk, and they suspect that could be the reason why the discomfort is there in the stomach. But they said that we'll also wait for the reports to come up, and then we can further investigate also based on what the animal had shared with me. The reports did come up and the reports were all normal, but the human did take the animal back to the vet and said that there is slight bloating, and or rather they mentioned that there was a little tightness that the animal complained in the abdomen region. And while it was not very severe, as the animal had mentioned, there was an issue with the abdomen, and they did figure it out that it was because of the dessert that the animal had consumed. So with basic medication the animal felt better. This was a young animal, so it wasn't really a big problem. However, this is how our animals can inform us of the discomfort that they are facing, which could also help other professionals in making sure that they are going on the right path in terms of helping the animal and providing them with the care that the animal needs at that point in time. Like always, please note that communication cannot replace the services provided by other professionals. However, we can definitely understand the animal's insights about the situation without diagnosing. We can understand what the animal feels and how the animal is feeling, and through counseling and gentle methods we can help the animal and the human. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have had such communications where your own animals have shared some things with you that has helped you in helping them, please do mention it in the comment section below. Until the next video, bye bye.